How can automation enterprises leverage CNC-AI to enhance competitiveness in automated manufacturing? Supply chain collaboration efficiency directly determines a company's market response speed and competitive edge. Take an equipment with 1,000 aluminum alloy parts as an example. It requires you procurement specialists in traditional, each specialist coordinating 5 processing factories, totaling 25 factories for collaboration. Any delay in delivery from a single factory or quality defect in any component can bring the entire production line to a standstill. CNC-AI Smart Platform. Through self-developed flexible manufacturing system, once an order is placed, the system automatically initiates production preparation, automated review, scheduling, resource allocation, and remote equipment activation. Products can start production in as fast as 10 seconds, significantly reducing production lead time and minimizing errors associated with traditional manufacturing. Our fully flexible manufacturing system ensures on-time delivery, consistent quality, and cost efficiency. CNC-AI solution can cover up to 80% of aluminum alloy part structures in automated equipment, with delivery achievable within 1 week. CNC-AI system automates processing of 800 standard part drawings, with residual requirements managed by a single buyer working with 5 qualified suppliers. This optimization reduces supply chain complexity from 25 touchpoints to 5, improving delivery performance by 30%, significantly reduce management costs and component risks. It can also seize the market opportunity with a faster delivery speed. This helps enterprises establish a core advantage in the highly competitive field of automated equipment.